Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing very well. So today we will do class 9th math chapter 2 polynomial. We have already done exercise 2.1 and 2.2. So today we will do exercise 2.3. So let us check what is given in that exercise. In this exercise, we have to find out remainder. Okay, let us check what is given here. So this is our exercise and first question is find the remainder when a given polynomial is divided by x plus 1 or x minus half, x, x plus 5 or 5 plus 2 pi. So can we find out the remainder without division? Yes, we can find out the remainder without division. बिना divide करे भी हम remainder find कर सकते हैं. How we can do that? We can do that by using remainder theorem. So what is this remainder theorem? For example, if I have px equal to x square plus 1, now I have to divide this px by any other polynomial. इसे मुझे gx से divide करना है. Suppose I have to divide it by x minus 1. So by remainder theorem, अगर मैं इसमें remainder theorem का use करूं तो बिना divide किए मुझे remainder मिल जाएगा. By remainder theorem, what I will do, आपको जो ये x माइनस 1 यानी कि आपको जिससे भी डिवाइड करना है इसे 0 के इक्वल रखना है और x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. x की वैल्यू इज 1. So by remainder theorem, P1 is the remainder. P1 is the remainder. Okay. Then how to do it? ये देखिए. अगर मैं यहाँ Px x की वैल्यू को 1 से रिप्लेस करूँ, then I will get 1 square plus 1 and that is equal to 1 plus 1 and this is equal to 2. है ना. तो सिंपल सी बात है कि अगर आप यहाँ पे जिससे भी आपको डिवाइड करना है उसका 0 फाइंड करेंगे, उसे 0 के इक्वल रख के x की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे एंड दैट जो भी गिवन पॉलिनोमियल है उसमें वो वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, देन यस यू विल गेट द रिमाइंडर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. सो लेट अस चेक व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या गिवन है चेक करते हैं. So this is the first question of the exercise. जहाँ पे हमारे पास पॉलिनोमियल कौन सा है? Yes, we have a polynomial here. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. And we have to divide it by x plus 1 and we have to find out the remainder. Then what we will do? We will put x plus 1 equal to 0 and we will, this implies x equal to minus 1. So हमने x की वैल्यू फाइंड की and we get x equal to minus 1. And then by remainder theorem, we can say that by remainder theorem, if px is divided by gx, then क्या होगा रिमाइंडर? p यहाँ पे -1 आई है वैल्यू, p minus 1 is the remainder. p minus 1 is the remainder. अब आपको क्या करना है? p minus 1 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. So write down it and then we will do the next part of it. Yes, let us find out p minus 1 now. Here we have px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So if we put minus 1 instead of x, है ना, x की जगह पे हमने पुट किया minus 1, then we will get minus 1 cube क्या होगा? minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1. These two minus 1 get 1 only and then again multiply by minus 1, you will get minus 1 only. So for minus 1 cube we can write minus 1 plus 3 into square of minus 1 will be 1 only. This plus into minus will be minus here. So 3 ones are 3 and plus 1. So we will get minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. So we can check from here कि plus 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled out. -1 and +1 will be cancelled out and your answer will be 0. So we can say that P minus 1 will be 0 here. P minus 1 will be 0. Hence, remainder is 0. Okay. Now come to the second part of it. Here we have second part. Px हमने same लेना है x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. But gx is given here. What is the value of gx here? We have gx equal to x minus half. So to find out remainder हमें क्या करना है? पहले gx को put करना है 0. So x minus half equal to 0, x will be equal to half. Then we can say that by remainder theorem, we will write by remainder theorem, P half will be the remainder. Now we have to find out P half. P 1/2 हमें find करना है. So please pause the video and note it down and let us move ahead now. We have done this in our previous exercise also. We can put the value of x as half here. Then we will get 1/2 cube, 3 into 1/2 square plus 3 into 1/2 and plus 1. So 1/2 cube means 1/2 will get multiplied by 3 times. 1/2 multiply 1/2 and multiply 1/2. So you will get 1 1 za 1 1 za 1, 2 2 za 4 2 za 8. So we will write 1/8 here. Plus 3 into 1/2 into 1/2 will be 1/4. Plus 3 into 1/2 will be 3/2 and then plus 1. So we will write it as 1/8. Then 3 multiply 1/4 will be 3/4 plus 3/2 and plus 1. So LCM of all these will be 8. So we will take 8 1s are 8. So 1 1s are 1 here. Plus 4 2s are 8. So ऊपर भी 2 से multiply करेंगे 3 2s are 6. Then 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. And 1 8s are 8. So we will get 12 plus 8, 20 plus 6 plus 1. That is 27 upon 8. So yes, we can say that this is a rough part. Yes, we can say that 27/8 is the required remainder. Hence we will write 27/8 is the required remainder. Okay. So pause the video and note it down and let us do the next part now. Each and every part are of same kind. आपने पहले x की वैल्यू निकालनी है और फिर उसको पुट करना है. So let us see what is given in the third part. In third part we have only x. So what we will do, gx हमें x के equal लेना है. Okay. So let us see how to do it. We have gx equal to x. So what we will do let gx equal to 0. पहले हमने gx को 0 के इक्वल रखना है. This implies x equal to 0. Then we will write by remainder theorem. P0 is the remainder. Now we have to find out P0. Okay. So P0 will be 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 and plus 1. So first, second and third term, this will become 0. ये देखिए, ये वाली और ये वाली और ये वाली, ये तीनों terms 0 हो जाएंगी. Then we can say that P0 equal to 1. Hence remainder is 1. We will write hence remainder is 1 in this case. लेट अस मूव टू द फोर्थ पार्ट। सी, फोर्थ पार्ट में हमें क्या गिवन है? इन फोर्थ पार्ट वी हैव पाई x plus pi, gx equal to x plus pi. So we will take gx equal to 0, and at that case we have to put x plus pi equal to 0. So here in the fourth part we have gx equal to x plus pi. So we will take gx equal to 0. This implies x plus pi equal to 0. So x equal to 0 minus pi. So we can say that here x equal to minus pi. So we can say that by remainder theorem, p minus pi is the remainder. P minus pi is the remainder. Now what you need to do, you have to find out p minus pi. आपने p minus pi find करना है। तो x की वैल्यू की जगह पे आपने pi minus pi, so here we have x cube, so I will put it as minus pi cube plus 3 into minus pi square plus 3 into minus pi and plus 1. So p minus pi is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. Hence remainder is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi and plus 1. So you have to keep this thing in your mind कि यहाँ पे pi की वैल्यू हम पुट नहीं करेंगे, we will give the answer in the form of pi only. So this is our final answer. So let us move to the next part. What is given in the fourth part? Let us check it. As we can see here, this fifth part is quite simple and we have done 4 parts. So I think this part you can do yourself. फिर भी मैं आपको hint देती हूँ, you have to put 5 plus 2x equal to 0. This 2x is equal to minus 5 and the value of x will be minus 5 upon 2. तो आपने p minus 5 upon 2 की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Now come to the next, that is second question. What is given in the second question? Find the remainder. आपको remainder find करना है when this polynomial is divided by x minus a. तो यहाँ पर भी हमें क्या करना है? x minus a को 0 पुट करना है और x की वैल्यू a के इक्वल पुट करनी है. So let us see how to solve this question. We have px is equal to px equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. तो हमें gx से डिवाइड करना है इसको. So gx equal to x minus a. Take gx equal to 0. This implies x minus a equal to 0. Or we can say that x equal to a. So now we can say that by remainder theorem, okay, PA is the remainder. PA is the remainder. So please note it down. Let us find out PA now. Okay, PA find करते हैं. X की जगह पे हमें क्या पुट करना है? Everywhere where we have X, we have to put A. So let us see. Here in this question we have a cube, a into a square plus 6a minus a. So if we solve this, then we get a cube and minus a cube. A into a square will be a cube plus 5a. So this will be cancelled out and the value of PA equal to 5a. So we can say that hence 5a is the hence we can say that 5a is the remainder for this. So here we have the last part. In the last part, what do we have? 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube. तो यहाँ पे भी हमें सेम चीज करनी है. 7 plus 3x अगर इसका फैक्टर है मतलब ये इसे पूरी तरह से डिवाइड करेगा, और अगर ये पूरी तरह से डिवाइड करेगा दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर आना चाहिए 0. तो हमें ये चेक करना है कि क्या ये इसका फैक्टर है. So we will take 7 plus 3x equal to 0. 3x will be minus 7, x will be minus 7 by 3. Then we have to put this value here and we have to calculate it, and then we will get yes it is factor or not. अगर factor है तो remainder 0 आएगा. Okay. So in this video we have completed exercise 2.3 and very soon you will get exercise 2.4. So thank you for watching this video. Please everyone please share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.